high-flying fullbacks, which is Khudiso Mudau and Aubrey Modiba. The head-to-head history. The last meeting was July 2024. Sundowns won 2-1 in a high-intensity friendly. The competitive edge. Sundowns have generally had the upper hand at Loftus, but Al Hilal Omdurman has become significantly more resilient under Ibenge's leadership. The forecast and prediction. The new signings impact. Are we likely to see a Munapule Saleng being given a chance? But of course, we now know that he's got an injury. Or are we going to see Leon, the new striker, being given a run? What impact will he have if he's given a run in this match? So my prediction, I'm predicting a 2-0 win for Mamelodi Sundowns. I believe Mamelodi Sundowns are just way too good